I enjoy working with Brisbane tree experts because they take the time to actually come on site. They have trained arborists and they walk us through every step of the project that they're going to do. We've been using Brisbane tree experts for the last 10 to 15 years, on and off, with various call-outs from storm damage, which was an urgent situation, right through to having major works done over several days. They provided excellent service, they're very prompt, and most of all, they clean up really well after themselves. They're very safety conscious, they work efficiently and effectively. They work to time. They very much stick to their schedule. I would certainly recommend Brisbane tree experts to anyone who was thinking about having regular maintenance. They're very prompt with their response and they do a great job.